Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the basic of Linux and why it's widely used in the world of technology. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Eza Gusli Arya Alfaruki from 11 TKG1. The first thing is, what is Linux? Well, you might ever heard Linux and wonders what is a Linux? Well, Linux is an open source operating system based on the Unix family. Unlike Windows or Mac OS, Linux is free to use, modify, and distribute. Many versions of Linux exist called distribution or distros, such as Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Kali Linux, and many more. Each distro has its own features and purpose. The second one is, why Linux is so popular? Well, there are many reasons why Linux is so popular, such as it's stable, secure, and highly customizable. It's widely used by developers, system administrators, and cybersecurity experts. Even major servers and cloud platforms run on Linux because of its reliability. The third one is basic component of Linux. There are many components of Linux, but I will only explain several of Linux main components. The first is the kernel. The Linux kernel performs several fundamental functions essential for the operation of the entire system. The second one is the shell, or you can call command line interface, which allow user to give instruction. The file system, which organizes files in a structured directory tree. Together, these parts make a Linux powerful and efficient. The next one is command line basics. One of the most important elements in Linux is terminal. There are many commands available in Linux terminal, from basic to expert commands. Basic commands include ls to list file, cd to change directory, mkdir or make directory to create a new folder. Using the terminal gives users full control over the system. The next one is function of Linux. Well, Linux has many functions across various fields, such as server management. Most web servers usually run on Linux because it's fast and secure. Networking. Linux provides powerful tools for network configuration and monitoring. Programming. It supports languages like Python, Java, C, and more. Cybersecurity. Linux-based systems like Kali Linux are used for penetration testing and security analysis. Daily use. Distros like Ubuntu are user-friendly and great for everyday computering. The next one is advantage of using Linux. Are there any advantage of using Linux? Of course, yes. Linux is secure, rarely affected by virus, and fully customizable. It's also free, making it accessible to everyone from beginners to IT professionals. And that's a quick introduction to the basic and function of Linux. Hopefully this video helps you understand why Linux is such an important operating system today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.